Hello students! Welcome back to class. Check it out. We're going to be watching a video by Darman, and apparently it talks about vegan hot dogs. So I'm so excited. Let's watch.
Dad, I'm so hungry.
Okay. Let's get you a hot dog.
A hot dog.
Hey, Ivan.
Wait, he didn't say vegan. Oh, no, he didn't say vegan hot dog. That's not good. I have to put an X on the paper.
Harold!
Did you get us a hot dog?
Did he just say vegan hot dog or did he say hot dog? I didn't hear the word vegan. Let's go back. No. Guys, is this just a mistake? Did you guys fool me? Did you guys trick me?
Hey, Ivan.
Harold!
Did you get us a hot dog? Never mind. I don't have enough.
But I really want a hot dog.
I'm so sorry, son. After I get a job, I promise you will never be hungry again. Okay?
Okay.
Hey, you know what? Don't worry about it. This one's on me.
No! Don't give children hot dogs. They are made from a cycle of violence. Hot dogs contain dead animals. No, no, no. You must feed them vegan hot dogs, not dead animals. It's wrong to hurt animals. Don't hurt them. Oh no, this is starting to make me really sad. No.
No, you got it last time. I know business has been tough on you, and I can't ask you to do it again.
It's okay. I might not have a lot of customers, but it's better than being hungry. Besides, I've always believed that the kindness you put out into the world has a way of coming back to you.
Yes, but don't put out something into the world that is a dead animal. How is that being kind? Are you not considering the animals and how they feel? They don't want to be put into gas chambers. Pigs are put into gas chambers. They are murdered at 6 months old. That's not right. Do you know what? They did that to the Jews in World War II. They pretended that they were taking them into showers, and then they murdered them by turning on the gas. No, this is all wrong. Children should never be eating these kinds of things, ever. It's not good for them. Veganism is good for the animals, the environment, and human health. If you need recipes, you just go to Bosch.tv. You guys tricked me. That's not right. I thought this was going to be about vegan hot dogs. No! No! Animals don't belong in a bun! All their body parts cut up! This is so wrong! Darman, I have to give you another X now. I don't see any mention of vegan foods here at all. And you said the word hot dog without saying vegan over and over and over.
Here you go. It's okay, take it.
No! Don't take it! No! Oh my God! What is the dad doing? Don't feed your kid dead body parts. The poor innocent pigs. Do you know what happens to them? Their mothers and fathers are raped. They take the male pigs and they touch them inappropriately. They touch their penises, they rub them, and they take out the sperm, then they force it into the females. It's not right. It's bestiality. It's sexual abuse. It's rape. We don't do that to children, and we should not do that to animals. They can never give consent to that. How can you be okay with this cycle of violence?